Here we have a normal sheet of paper, but you turn this on, and suddenly I have grid paper. Turn it back off, and you have blank paper again. That ridiculously simple trick is the reason I bought this battery-powered light pad. And strangely enough, the cheapest part of this setup might actually be the most useful. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Sawdust and Circuits. Here we have the Getsy light pad. I have absolutely no idea how you're supposed to pronounce that. At this point, is China even trying? Anyway, I didn't really buy this because I needed a light table. I bought it because I had an idea for a portable sketching setup. And after using it for a while, I think there are actually a few interesting ways this could be used. I sketch out a lot of my builds before I make them. There are a couple of reasons for that. First, if I'm at work between projects, drawing something on a piece of paper looks productive. Pulling out a tablet somehow makes it look like I'm on YouTube, even when I'm actually working. Second, and probably the most important, I just like paper. Once you draw something, it exists. It doesn't disappear into a folder called Untitled Project 37 that I'll discover 6 months from now and have absolutely no memory of creating. The problem is, my ideas and my artistic ability don't always cooperate. Something can look incredible in my head, and 5 minutes later, the drawing looks like evidence I recovered from a crime scene. That's why I like grid paper. It helps keep dimensions, proportions, and straight lines somewhat under control. But there's one problem. I don't necessarily want grid lines all over the finished drawing. So I started wondering, can I have grid paper only when I need it? Turns out, yes. This is a transparent grid sheet. Apparently these are commonly used for cross-stitch. I'm not sure what kind of exercise cross-stitch is. I know what it is. Moving on. You put the transparent grid on the light pad, and then you put a normal piece of paper over it. Turn the lights on, and there it is, instant grid paper. I can sketch using the grid for alignment and proportions, then turn the lights off, and I'm back to plain white paper. No printed grid lines, no special notebook, and no pretending that that slightly crooked line was an intentional design choice. Now you could probably do this with almost any light pad. But the feature that made this particular one interesting to me is the built-in battery. Now I don't have to sit next to an outlet or carry a power pack. I can throw the pad, grid sheet, paper and a pencil, and basically have a portable drafting board. So let's actually use it. I'm going to sketch one of my recent builds, a small concrete pen stand. I've already designed this, so I'm cheating a little bit. But that makes this a good example because I already know roughly what the proportions should look like. With the grid underneath, I can quickly establish the overall dimensions, line things up, and keep everything reasonably symmetrical without measuring every single mark. And for something like electronic layouts, 3D printing ideas, woodworking projects, or even enclosure designs, I could see this being genuinely useful. You could even use this with other templates, like ones for circles or lettering. I noticed something interesting while using this the other night. I tried drawing with the room lights completely off, and the experience was pretty cool. Even on the lowest brightness settings, I could clearly see the grid underneath the paper. The downside was that my pencil lines looked much lighter than usual. Even using a 2B pencil, I found myself pressing harder than normal. Once I turned the light pad off, the drawing looked great. That's something I had not really considered before buying this. There is one feature I really wish this had. A built-in paper clip. or even something simple like a clamp along one edge. The other strange thing is this exact light pad seems to be sold under about 12 different brand names, and the one I bought isn't available anymore. But here's the funny part. After using this setup, I think the transparent grid sheet might actually be my favorite part. The light pad is useful, the battery makes it convenient, but the little plastic grid completely changes what the light pad can do. And that's something I like about experimenting with random projects. Sometimes you buy one thing for a project, and the cheap accessory sitting next to it ends up giving you 10 more ideas. So overall, I think this combination is a win. It's simple, portable, and gives me grid paper whenever I want it, without permanently putting a grid right on my drawing. And hopefully this either inspired an idea of your own, or at least showed you a tool or a use for a tool you had not thought of. But I'm curious, what else would you put under the paper? Let me know in the comments, because there's probably a better use for this, and I just haven't thought of it yet. If you like these strange assortments of projects that we get up to here, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.